this car drifting video, or this gym influencer reel, or this cinematic group of friends art. I generated all of these with just a one click. And not just this, I can create thousands of high quality videos like this in a minute, easily, effortlessly, using AI. But wait, are you tired of using complicated AI tools? Or tired of managing credit again and again? Or even searching for a free AI generator that actually works? Then trust me, this video is worth it. It will save both time and money for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Friends with AI, where we learn AI tool in simplest way possible. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that can convert your text or image into a stunning video for free. And listen carefully, the 5th tool is my favorite because it can do something most AI tools simply can't. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Alright guys, let's not waste the time. Let's get started. So guys, to do that, first we need a powerful prompt to generate an image, and from that image we'll create a video using these AI tools. I have already generated one prompt, as you can see on the screen. I created it using ChatGPT, and you can find this exact prompt in the description below. You can download it from there and follow along with me. So first I'll copy the prompt and paste it in LM Arena. As you know, LM Arena is very powerful tools for generating image because it comes with multiple pro AI model in one place. So simply paste the prompt and hit the enter. After waiting a couple of minutes, our image is ready. As you can see, it generated a beautiful high quality car images. Now comes the next step. We will move our first AI tools. The name of the tools is Hunyuan. To access it, simply in Google we'll search Hunyuan AI, and after that we'll click the first link. You can easily log in using your Gmail account, and after that we'll come to the main page. We'll click the plus icon and we'll select the create video. Our aspect ratio will be 16:9, and then we will upload our car image, and then we'll copy the video prompt and we'll paste it here. And then we'll hit the generate. So after waiting a couple of minutes, we got our first video. It has generated one high quality video with a sound effect. And simply we'll download this video. Let's move to our second AI tool, that is Slope Club. In Chrome browser you have to search Slope Club, and we'll click the first link, and then we'll click the sign in, and using your Gmail account you can easily create one account, and after that you will come to the main page. Once you click on type your prompt, you will get 2 frames, start frame and end frame. We'll click the start frame and simply we'll upload our car image, and after that we'll copy our video prompt and we'll paste it here, and then click on generate. As you can see, it has started generating, which you can find inside your profile. As you can see guys, we got our second video ready from our second AI tool. It has generated one high quality realistic video with actual sound effect. Now simply I'll download the video, and let's move to the third AI tools, that is Wan AI. Simply in your Chrome browser you have to type Wan and then click the first link, and again using your Gmail account you can simply create one account. Now simply we'll click on the first frame and we'll upload our car image. So after that we'll paste our video prompt, and now we'll click to the customize icon, and there is a toggle generate with credits. If you on this toggle, it will charge 10 points for each generate, and if you off this toggle, it will allow you to generate free video. So the main difference is the time. If you go without credit, it will take a bit longer to generate your video. This time I will go with generate with credits. Now I'll simply click generate. As you can see, it started generating. So after a few seconds of waiting, we got our third video from our third AI tools. As you can see guys, it also generated one high quality video with actual sound and cinematic camera movement. Now simply I'll download this video. Now let's move to the fourth AI tools, and the name of the fourth AI tool is Hunyuan AI. So you have to search in your Chrome browser Hunyuan AI, and then you have to click the second link, and in this page you have to click try it now. This is one Chinese AI tool, so while login you might get account creation onboarding step in Chinese language. So I have already created one detailed video for this AI tool, and there I explained step-by-step process to create account and how to install language translator and how you can access all the features from these AI tools for free. So that video link is in the description, you can check. So here we'll click the second option, picture live video, and we'll upload our car picture. One important thing is here you can't paste your big prompt, it allows only 200 character. So I'll copy my video prompt and I'll ask ChatGPT to make it under 200 character. And then I'll paste it and hit the generate. So after waiting couple of minutes, we got our fourth video ready from our fourth AI tool. As you can see, it also generated one high quality video with all the sound effect and cinematic camera angle. And guys, our last and final AI tool is Grok. In Grok, we'll click on imagine and then we'll upload our car image, and after that we'll paste our prompt. As you can see guys, we got our fifth video from our fifth AI tool. It has also generated one high quality realistic drifting video. As you can see guys, all the camera angle and the motions are very realistic. So guys, we tried 5 different AI tools. Now it's time to check their video one by one. I have a task for you guys. You download that prompt and try all the 5 AI tools, and then come back to this video and comment below which AI tool you feel is the best. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and share it with your friends. In this channel you will find so many AI tools, tricks, tips with practical example. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.